Understanding the key aspects of an SMT reflow oven helps in optimizing its use and maintaining high-quality production standards. Purpose: SMT reflow ovens are used in electronics manufacturing to solder surface mount components onto printed circuit boards, PCBs. Reflow process: the reflow oven heats the PCB and components to a temperature that melts the solder paste, creating electrical connections and securing the components to the PCB. Zones: reflow ovens typically have multiple heating zones, each with precise temperature control. These zones are usually divided into preheat, soak, reflow, and cooling stages. Temperature profiles: the oven follows a temperature profile that gradually heats the PCB, holds it at a peak temperature to melt the solder, and then cools it down to solidify the connections. Conveyor system: PCBs move through the oven on a conveyor belt, ensuring consistent heating and cooling rates. Types of heating: reflow ovens can use various heating methods, including infrared, IR, convection, and vapor phase heating. Convection is the most common method, providing even heating across the PCB. Nitrogen atmosphere: some reflow ovens can operate in a nitrogen atmosphere to prevent oxidation and improve solder quality. Profiling: thermal profiling is crucial for setting up the reflow oven. It involves measuring and adjusting the temperature profile to ensure optimal soldering conditions for different PCBs and components. Control systems: modern reflow ovens are equipped with advanced control systems and software to monitor and adjust the heating process, ensuring consistent and high-quality solder joints. Maintenance: regular maintenance of reflow ovens is essential to prevent contamination, ensure accurate temperature control, and maintain the overall efficiency of the soldering process.